Hi everyone, welcome to Crafting Carnivore-ish. I'm Hyla, and today I am going to show you this nice power strip that a company sent me, and their name is right here. And I'm going to show you the unboxing and then some different ways that you can use it. So I have it right here on my craft table for now, and I will try to zoom in on that. I've got my hot glue gun, I've got my light, one of my cameras plugged in. I still have two regular plugs and then two, I believe those are USB-Cs. So it's got two USBs, two USB-Cs, and then three regular plugs. So I'm going to show you that close up as well. But the cord I've got running under this table and then back here, and the plug is over here. So the plug is over here by this wall, and I still have plenty of room, extra space for that cord. I could run it on that side of the table as well, and even over here. You can attach it on the side. It's got, so I've got two things plugged into it, and it's got places so you could screw it in or nails and hang it that way. And then it came with these foam stickers, these double-sided foam stickers, so you can attach it to the side of something, which I think is really cool. This might be a little bit trickier. So there's the two USBs, so I can charge in two things. And then again, I can plug in like my hot glue gun. I can charge my camera, my computer. I've got a small fan that runs on a USB, so I could plug that in and have a fan going if I needed it. So I think this is really helpful. I think it's a really neat design. I like the round design, and then it fits on there very well. And like I said, I can use like screws or nails to put it on there as well if I want something more permanent. And it's got a flat cord, so you can put it under an area rug, which I think is really, really neat. And the plug itself, so the plug itself is very slim design too. See how flat that cord is, so you can run it under a rug or anything like that, and you're not going to trip over it like a normal cord. So it's going to be a lot more flat, which I really, really like. Long cord. I got the medium length cord. It comes in 3 different sizes, so I thought that was really neat too. Okay, so I was going to take it off here and put it in the living room and show you, because we have an end table and then a couch and then an end table, and of course the other end table is out in the open. There's no wall near it, so there's no way to plug anything over there. So I was going to run it under the couch and under, you can actually run it under the rug too, but I was going to run it under the couch and between the couch and the end table. But it will not come off. That, I mean, not easily anyway. So those foam stickers work really, really well. I expected to be able to remove it pretty easily. I'm not disappointed in that. I think that's great that it's on there really, really well. So I would love to show you how I would use it. I would do the same thing as this and put it on the side of the end table, or just slide this under the end table and pull it out as you needed it. But yeah, it would work great in there, and I may end up ordering one for in there because I think it's awesome. I love this. Is a great addition to my craft room. It would be a great addition to my living room as well because we're limited on plugs. And I'm sorry that I didn't get to show you that. I would love to maybe take a picture of the way my living room is set up and show you why I need something like this in there. But I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you'll give this company a try. These are not expensive. It works really great. I have charged both my cameras several times on it since I've had it. I got it actually right before we lost our electricity, so I'm behind on getting it uploaded, you know, getting the video made and uploaded and stuff. So I've used it for my hot glue gun. I charged my laptop on it. I've charged both my cameras on it. Different lights I plugged into it, so it works great. I haven't had any issues with it. I would recommend it. I love it. Thank you for sending me this power strip. I don't know if you can call it a power strip since it's round, but that's what I'm going to call it. Thank you all so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope it was helpful. Have a great day. Be kind to yourself, be kind to others, and I'll catch you all on the next one.